4 examples based on the rules of parallel lines, geometry of parallel lines. This angle, the sum of this angle and this angle must be 180 degrees. And if this one is a line bisector, that means if this one is x, this one is also x. So based on the rules, 2x plus x minus 30 is equal to 180 degrees, right? So that means 3x minus 30 is 180, and 3x is just 210, and x will be 210 divided by 3, which is equal to 70 degrees. If you substitute 70 degrees here, 70 minus 30, it will be 40 degrees. And here it is 70, here it is 70. So that means 140 plus 40 degree, it is 180 degree. So that means this one is the x value is 70 degree, 70 degrees. So in the second example, just here, the same thing, x plus 20, this must be x plus 20, this one also. So that means 2 times x plus 20, right, plus x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees, because these are just the sum of same-sided interior angles will be 180 degrees if it is between 2 parallel lines. So that means 2x plus 40 plus x plus 5 is 180 degrees. Then this one and this one, 3x is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 5, 45, so minus 45. So 3x is equal to 135, and x will be 135 divided by 3, which will be 45 degrees, right? 3 times 5, 5, 3 times 5, 15, 1, 3 times 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, so this is 45 degrees. So that means 45 plus 5, it will be 50 degrees. And here just 45 plus 20, it will be 65. This one is also 65. 65 times 2, right? 10, 13. 130 plus 50 is 50, right? 180 degrees. So this one is 45 degrees. So this one, the third one, to solve this one, just use a straight line. Use a straight line just like this. If you create a straight line which is parallel to D1 and D2, then you can represent this one just like D3. So D1, D3, and D2, they are parallel. So that means if you extend this line also, this means 1 plus this will create a straight line, 180 degree. Then that means this one is 80 degree. If this one is 80, this one is also 80 degree. Then the same thing, if you extend this one, this means 180 degrees, so this means 60 degree. So if this one is 60 degree, this one is 60 degree, based on alternate interior angles relation. So that means alpha is just as shown here, 60 plus 80. So alpha is 60 plus 80, that means just 140 degrees. And the same thing here also, if you are just drawing a straight line just like this, right? And if this line is just here, that means based on alternate angle relations. So if you draw a line, so that means this one is just 130 plus 50 will be 180. So if this one is 50, this one is also 50, right? So to find this degree, you have to subtract 180 minus 50 degrees. How much it will be? Just 70 degrees, right? So that means this one is 70 degrees. If this one is 70 degrees, that means this one is also 70 degrees. So to find x, x means 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So it will be 110, right? 110. So that means the x value will be 118 degrees. This one is 70. And 70 plus 180, and here also 50 plus 130, it is 180 degrees. So based on this, you can solve such types of questions. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.